FSAAP is selling a Howell Munitions and Technology Swage and Restrike machine for immediate delivery. Low operating hours with professional maintenance. Steady operation provides upwards of 5,500 cores per hour. Swage and Restrike multiple calibers of cores.
We'll now start. When I take my finger off, it stops. We've produced 10 rounds.
Take control of your supply and set the demand.
And there they both die. Okay. This die is set at 108.
Custom projectile tooling available.
We are within our tolerance. Tolerance is how much?
%100% turnkey ready HMT Kash KA Swage and Restrike machine. $87,100 for immediate delivery, with bullet instruction, tooling and die prints, 2-day on-site training, SOP videos and guides, and access to our vast spare parts supply. 0.333-inch lead wire for 9mm cores available for $1.25 per pound. Professional plating services starting as low as 1 cent per piece. Contact us using the information at the end of this video for additional plating and coating services.